Welcome to my Herb Hub channel. In today's video we will see the benefits of turmeric for humans. Let's see what secrets God has hidden in it for us. Give thanks and heal us begins the video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to explore the powerful health benefits of turmeric, a golden spice with a rich history of medicinal use. Turmeric, a spice derived from the curcumin plant, has long been used in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine for its purported health benefits. Modern science is now beginning to uncover the truth behind these ancient claims, revealing that turmeric indeed possesses a wealth of potential health-promoting properties. Anti-inflammatory effects. One of the most well-established benefits of turmeric is its potent anti-inflammatory activity. Inflammation, a natural bodily response to injury or infection, can become chronic when it persists over time, leading to a range of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric's active component, curcumin, has been shown to suppress the production of inflammatory molecules, thereby reducing inflammation and its associated health risks. Antioxidant protection. Turmeric is also a rich source of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Turmeric's antioxidants, including curcumin, neutralize these harmful free radicals, protecting cells from damage and promoting overall health. Brain health benefits. Turmeric has shown promise in protecting and enhancing brain function. Curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress may help prevent cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein essential for nerve cell growth and survival. Heart health protection. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may also contribute to heart health. Studies have shown that curcumin can improve endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and blood flow. Curcumin may also help lower LDL, bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels, further reducing the risk of heart disease. Digestive system support. Turmeric may aid in digestion by stimulating bile production, which helps break down fats in the intestines. It also possesses antispasmodic properties, which can help relieve digestive cramps and discomfort. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to protect the lining of the digestive tract, potentially reducing the risk of inflammatory bowel diseases. Immune system enhancement. Turmeric may enhance immune function by modulating the activity of immune cells and reducing inflammation. Studies suggest that curcumin can boost the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. It may also help regulate the immune response, potentially reducing the risk of autoimmune diseases. Cancer prevention potential. Turmeric is being investigated for its potential to prevent and treat various types of cancer. Curcumin's ability to inhibit cell growth, reduce inflammation, and promote apoptosis, cell death, may be beneficial in cancer management. Studies have shown that curcumin may help suppress the growth of cancer cells in several types of cancer, including colon, breast, and pancreatic cancer. Conclusion. Turmeric, a versatile spice with a long history of medicinal use, is emerging as a powerful natural remedy with a wide range of potential health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties make it a promising candidate for preventing and treating various chronic diseases. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and efficacy of turmeric's health-promoting effects, its incorporation into a healthy diet may offer a safe and effective way to promote overall well-being.